welcome to my channel, and today we are using this net. I know you have seen this net before, like it's not new, so we're using it to create a beautiful crown. So guys, you're going to join me in doing this together, and what we need to do this is just the material, and of course what we always see on my reels, that is my band, and we're good. So let's dive into the video into the tutorial. Guys, if you are seeing my face for the first time, you're welcome to my channel, and this is where we put everything crammed together for beautiful ladies, beautiful mamas, beautiful mothers out there. So if it is what you love to do by yourself, you can hit on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, share this video, like this video, leave your comment in the comment section, and I'll be replying to them. So guys, let's dive into it. So let me be showing you the material. This is the net that I have though. So this pink is a bit longer than the wine. So this is the wine. So I'll be combining the two together to tie. The first thing I'm going to do is join the two together by knotting. Don't mind me, okay? So this is it. And the other part of the pink is like this. I just saw them inside and said, wow, we can make a crown with this. So let's try. So just knot it, right? Just knot it like that. Very easy to control. Very easy, very light to control. See, I have my cap on. It's a very transparent what's it called, material. So I will advise, if you have a cap, just put it on, or a glass cap. After knotting it, I have something like this, and I'll be dipping it in like this. Now putting it from the stretch this one too out. So don't worry, we arrange our arrangeables later. So like this. Let's turn the hand right to left, left to right. I'm going to be turning it twice like this. So like this. Do you get the logic? You turn your the material on the right to left, left to right. So I turned it twice like this. This is what I have. So I'm just going to continue. I'll stretch out like this. Bring it like this. Alright? And this one can stretch out as well. Bring it like this. Okay, let me turn again. So this will fall on this now. Okay, don't worry, just take it round. Okay, so I would like to stop this my wine here. I'll just take it round and secure. I told you the wine is shorter than the pink, so I'll secure it down. That is secured, right? Easy to control material. That's why I love this material. Very easy to control. So you see what I have right here. Okay, I'm going to direct it to where this pink is now. I'm going to direct it to where this pink is, and I'll use it to create something nice. So I'll just go like this. 1, 2, 3. I have this 3 puff. You see the way I did it? And this is my band, and use it to grab. Use it to grab. Right, let me place it here. And this, I'm going to find a way to, secure. Let me find a way to secure it around here. Just dip it in there, and I have this puffy stuff. So if you like, you can leave it like this. Okay, you can leave it like this, right? I can't see the back, but I know at least she'll be giving me nice look. me feeling it with my hand. So you should be having something like, if you like, you can leave it like this. Or I'm going to show you another way you can style it. So I love it. So you can just shift to the back to show your hairline. See my earring go. So to the back to show your hairline. Just drop it. Or you can just, stretch it out bit by bit, nothing serious. Just stretch it out bit by bit, like this. Okay. I don't know if you guys see what I did there. Just bit by bit, nothing serious. Just puff it. Alright. And you have this again. Purr. Purr. My loves, tell me which of this style will you go for, the first one or the second one? I like the first one too, but let me hear from you guys. Maybe I can change my mind. So if you haven't subscribed, hit on the subscribe button, share this video, and leave me with a comment. I need it. Okay, so guys, I'll see you on my next one. Remember, my loves, I love you. So